What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I got this Toyota Camry here and we're gonna clean the mass airflow sensor. You could probably save a couple of $100 just by cleaning it if you have a code. If your car is running lean or rich, you might want to take a shot at this sensor. So there's two sensors that controls fuel on this car. That's the oxygen sensor and your airflow sensor right there. So what the computer does is it picks up how much air is flowing in through the engine and it compares it with the output with the oxygen sensor, and it determines how much fuel needs to be added. It could improve your fuel economy as well. But anyways, it's very simple. This $10 spray right here, this is what I'm going to be using right there, mass airflow cleaner, and can save you a couple of bucks. Instead of changing that sensor, you can clean it. Sometimes even a little dirt debris gets on that sensor, it is gonna give a false reading. So let's go inside. All you're gonna need is on this Toyota Camry, Phillips head screwdriver, and it's very simple. Let's take the camera closer. Okay, so to begin with, this is the sensor, this is the connector. All you do is push on this tab and the connector will come off. It's gonna be a little tough, but just push on it really hard. Okay, so push on this really hard and pull the connector, it will come out, and then you have Phillips head screw and a screw right there. Take it easy, don't drop them, they're very tiny, they will fall immediately. Just loosen it up a little bit more. A little bit more. Take it off and put it somewhere safe. Same thing with this one. And wiggle on the sensor. It doesn't have an O-ring on it, so be careful. Don't not try to twist it. Just try to wiggle it. Rock it back and forth sideways and it should lift right up. And you're gonna put it back the same way. Okay, you cannot twist it around because then it's gonna be the wrong way. It's gonna flow, the air is gonna flow the wrong way. So there's a small little sensor right there, just a tip of a wire, and there's one inside right there. So that's how it picks up its signal. So we're gonna clean this, and also I would recommend you remove this oxygen sensor and clean the sensor. So I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. Okay, so this is your oxygen sensor. What you want to do is you want to turn the oxygen sensor out and just disconnect it from right here. You push down on this tab, pull out the connector. I did replace this sensor because we had a problem with the catalytic converter, but here's the sensor. I'm going to show you on this one how to clean this one. This is the same sensor, and we're going to clean this, and we're going to use the same spray. It's okay to use this spray. Okay, so first let's take a shot at this mass airflow sensor. All you do is you take your spray, just a couple of little sprays here inside. All right, that's all you're gonna do. Give it a good 20 minutes, let it dry off, and we're gonna put this back in. That's how simple this is to clean this mass flow sensor. With your oxygen sensor, see the little ports? They will get clogged up over time, so it's not gonna give a good reading. And all you wanna do is you wanna clean this as well. You can wire brush this, but other than that, simply just spray it down, go around with it, because all the dirt and debris will come out. Give it a few minutes and give it another rinse with the spray, and you're all done. Put this back in the car and you should be good to go. Okay, so install your oxygen sensor back on. Make sure you tighten it properly, make sure it's connected good. But if your sensor giving you some kind of electrical trouble, replace it. But other than that, we're gonna put this mass airflow sensor. So make sure the bore here is nice and clean. You can put a little bit of lubrication around here, or you can put a little bit of lubrication around that O-ring right there. Just take a little bit of oil and just with your finger, just a tiny bit, okay? And then you're gonna take this sensor and you're gonna snug it right back in, and it should go in nicely and easily, okay? Once you see it sitting flush, it's good. You're gonna take your 2 little screws, put them back in. Make sure there's no air escaping, because if the air escapes, you're gonna have lean codes. And you're gonna tighten both of these up. Nice and simple. That's how simple it is to work on this Toyota. And hopefully I saved you some money. And hopefully your fuel economy goes up. There's so much you could do to your car to build the fuel economy. But that's it. Click it back in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you have check engine light on, just reset it. And hopefully it doesn't come back on.